Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Maine Digger. In this video, I'm straight metal detecting everything. Underwater metal detecting, scuba diving, whatever you want to call it. Scuba detecting, whatever. I went to Colby camp, which is Colby College's where they do the rowboat stuff. I've done a couple videos there before. The last video I did there, I went in the water and it was way too soon to go in the water. It was extremely cold. It's not the brightest idea I've ever had, but I did some metal detecting there. This time also found some stuff. Rocks. I found a lot of cool rocks. I found more rocks than metal. Anyway, I had a good time. The warning comes with this video. I didn't change the GoPro settings. I was doing testing something out or learning something on the GoPro, and I didn't change the settings back to the normal settings. So the videos they're cool, but they're kind of off. You'll see. So what I found out is a lot of the problem was me not changing the settings, but also I was using a red lens because it's dark in underwater places. And Maine, during this time, it's kind of hard because it's in between. Well, at least what I noticed, especially at the two different lakes that I've been at, is that it's either dark and light. There's no like middle. So I have more rocks than I do metal, because all the rocks do. So I'll get the rocks out. There's a piece of metal. I don't know. That's the one I was most interested in because it's a box. It could be anything. I'll try to clean it off and see if there's an actual, what it actually is. This is kind of interesting too. I don't know what that is. Probably something off a boat. Off a boat too. I don't know. Different types of rocks. These were really light. It's kind of cool. I would brush it away and it would just like pick up and go really light. Couple pieces of metal. A nail. Mostly rocks, because I like rocks. This one is for my wife and kids. Down there.